Welcome to the tutorial on setting up your YouTube live stream in Yuzzit and clip it directly. Let's begin. The first step is to set up your live stream source in Yuzzit. It's simple and quick. Start by copying the URL of your YouTube live stream. Now, head over to Yuzzit, go to the admin section, then click on sources, and then edit source. Here, paste the URL you copied and click on confirm submission. Your live stream will now be imported into Yuzzit, allowing you to edit it directly from our interface. Once imported, you will find your live stream in the timeline below. Here is where the magic happens. Set the cursor to mark the beginning and the ending of the segment you wish to cut. After selecting your desired segment, give it a name, then simply click on Generate Video. If you are interested in more live stream clipping tips, you will find a detailed tutorial on our YouTube channel. Once your video is generated, a world of options opens up. You can edit it further, download it, or share it directly to your social media. To share your video, click on Share Media, then choose your social media platform. Add your details like a catchy description, relevant tags, and more, then hit Share Media to broadcast your video on the selected social media network. Hope you find it useful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.